Your Zoom meeting just ended. Now you've got to update the notes in Notion, for yourself or for your team. Then create Jira tickets for every action item. It's kinda tedious, isn't it? So I built a meeting-to-action agent to automate it, using Python, Claude, and Scalekit. Here's the flow. We pull the transcript from Zoom's cloud storage and send it to Claude for a clean summary. Then we create a Notion page and drop that summary in. Next, we extract the action items and open a Jira ticket for each one. That's the whole workflow, automated. Setup is short. Save your Scalekit credentials like client ID, client secret, and environment URL in the project environment file. Then set up Zoom, Notion, and Jira in the Scalekit dashboard. Copy each connection name exactly as shown and add those too. We're not using traditional .env token because it proves only agent identity, not permissions. In Scalekit, we can scope tool access per user, so agents only access the tools I've approved. Let's run it. It asks me to authenticate with Zoom. I click Connect, and it's found the recording and pulls the transcript. Notion and Jira authenticate the same way. Claude reads the transcript and generates the summary and action items. The agent creates the Notion doc. Then it opens a ticket for every action item it finds in Jira. And that's it. The entire meeting-to-action workflow is automated. You can build this for almost any repetitive task. Connect your apps, define the flow, let the agent run it. The difference is that when you go from one user to 1,000, and from your laptop to production, the agent auth is already handled. Liked it? Share it with an agent developer and tell me what you're building.